There's a group called Ranky Tanky, which is touring the nation, touring the world actually, doing Gullah songs that we've all heard since we were kids that were passed down. And this is another of one of those songs. Now, this is the group Ranky Tanky.
Who is the greatest? We are the greatest. All right, all right. Oh, they come from both sides. Had two hands and a rooster. Rooster died. Oh, they cried. Don't need eggs and you stop. Oh, they come from both sides. Had two hands and a rooster. Rooster died. Oh, they cried. Don't need eggs and you stop. Oh, my little soul. Oh, my little soul. In my head, in my heart, in my feet. They know.
And this is the music that we all grew up with. Every member of that band remembers since we were children, either playing along the games with these songs or singing along with them. And so these are songs that are deeply cultural and go back many generations, that are part of our language. And so that's an example of Gullah being preserved in the form of song.